In this video, you'll learn how to add categories in WordPress. This process helps you organize your content, making it easier for visitors to navigate your website. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created a new category for your posts. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site. Open your web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the home page loads, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Sites. Click on this option to continue. After selecting Sites, a list of your created websites will appear. Browse through the list to find the specific site for which you want to add a category. Click on the site name to access its dashboard. You will recognize you're in the right place if you see the site's title at the top of the page. Once you're in the site dashboard, look for a button or link that says Close. This will typically be located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Close to proceed to the next step. You may notice the interface transitioning to the main site editor. Next, locate the plus icon, usually found on the left side of the editor. Interface. Clicking this icon will allow you to add new content or features. Once you click the plus icon, a drop-down menu or a sidebar should appear, displaying various options. In this new menu, find the search bar, click on it to activate the input field. This is where you will type in the word category. After entering the term, you should see suggestions or options related to. After typing category, look for the option that specifically states category. Click on this option to select it. This action will lead you to the category management area where you can manage existing categories or create new ones. Now, find the button that says Add Category. This button is typically located in the category management section. Clicking it will prompt you to enter the name of the new category you wish to create. After entering the name, confirm the addition by clicking the Add button. You have now successfully added a category to your WordPress site. A confirmation message should appear indicating that the category has been created. Take a moment to verify that the new category is listed among your existing categories, ensuring everything is in order. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.